That's that. It's the time to fucking clean. It's Saturday. Get the fuck up. That's what that fucking music is for. I know it. That's what it's for. I know it. I know I look like a couple of y'all sons, but we're gonna address that in a second. Give me your time. Okay? Last time I came here, I fucked up on my first night of Funny Bone, okay, y'all? And I think it was because I was in my feelings. Because when Funny Bone called me, I heard, gosh, Funny Bone. I thought I was a president, not our president, like a real one. And when I got here, I thought I was gonna come from the backstage, you know, from the back of the stage. I'm like, okay. So I got ready to go backstage. It was like, bitch, no, stand your fat ass over there by the servers. Stand over there on the side. I'm like, bitch, I didn't know I was clocking in. I was putting on my makeup artist. I knew what I got booked for. You feel me? But I know I look like I'm about to cut my titties off in the next 5 to 6 months. Okay? I'm tomboyish. I know I look a little dominant. Alright, so let's get it on the table, everybody. Let's just say what I am. I'm a Capricorn, okay? Born January 1982. Okay? I do got facial hair, but it's not by choice. It's not. I'm not transitioning to shit. Okay? I know that's what y'all think. My mom's here. Hers about to connect, so I know I'm the runner-up. I know I'm coming. I love you wherever you are. I love this shit because this is the first time I cut it for my mom. I'm gonna every month I fired out. Say everything. People think I don't like penis. I don't like penis situations. Okay? One time I was having sex with a fat dude, okay? Fat dude. And we was having sex and stuff. And he was like, you boring, do something. Suck your titty. I said, you suck your titty. You suck your titty first. You got a nice ass double D's right there. We can both go back and forth. You suck yours, I'll suck mine. We gonna go. Stand in, you ought to wear. Everybody wonder why I have this lifestyle. Okay, I pulled his penis out. And when I lifted it up, that bitch disappeared. I said, what the fuck? He said, I just want to stick the tip in. I said, well, when you find it, you let me know. You call me. Okay? Uncircumcised ass penis. That shit looks like you just took your socks off real quick and balled it in the ball. And then you just happen to put your hand through it. That's pretty much if you've ever seen one. Okay? He was like, it's natural. I said, oh, that's nasty. That's nasty. And matter of fact, it's disrespectful because there's hella people in the burning unit who need that skin. That could be somebody's pinky toe. That could be somebody's upper lip. Somebody walk around without no eyelids. They need to see. They need to blink. Poor flies can have different faces for their skins. It's a lot. And he gonna try to scare me, talking about, you know, you can get cancer from getting head. I said, nigga, what? I don't care about that. I can do it. I'm not gonna stop. Forget it. I'm broke. I am. That's why you gotta date somebody that's on your level. Okay? If you got shot, date somebody that got shot. You know, don't go outside of your comfort zone. And I don't even know why I'm broke because I'm full-time call center, half-time plasma donator. I'm serious. And my mom hates that shit. And I'm saving lives. I'm a fucking hero. I never see him say, look like that. I'm just saying. And I will say say this, my best friend, I have a best friend, you know, and she likes niggas with money. That might be the only way I go back, you know, nigga with money. He can be sitting at the table with her, he be like, look, I got $5,000 for you right now. And she's like, you all about money, I don't want that shit. I'll be sitting right at the table like, right. Look, I wasn't always gay. Please don't pay me.